Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're managing projects, collaborating with a team, or just trying to stay more organized, file sharing is a crucial part of productivity. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in ClickUp. Whether you're new to ClickUp or simply looking to streamline your workflow by sharing important files seamlessly, you're in the right place. Let's start by heading over to ClickUp. Make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account, which is the first step to accessing all the powerful tools ClickUp has to offer. Once you're in, you will see your dashboard filled with all your tasks and projects. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you're part of multiple teams. Files are uploaded at the space, task, or doc level, so knowing where you are matters. Now look to the top of your screen, where you'll find the Profile Workspace name. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with several options. The workspace name typically represents the team or project you're currently focused on and contains settings you might frequently need. After clicking on the Profile Workspace name, the next thing you want to do is select Settings. This will navigate you to a page full of customization options for your workspace. These settings let you manage everything from users to integrations, so you have total control over your team setup. Once you're in the settings, look for the Imports and Exports tab. This section is particularly useful when you need to move data in or out of ClickUp, which keeps your projects well organized and up to date with new information. This is also where you can import files from other project management tools, like Trello, Asana, or CSV, if you're switching to ClickUp. Within the Imports and Exports section, you'll see an option for Document. Clicking on this allows you to bring in documents that might be crucial for your ongoing projects. Being able to upload these documents directly into ClickUp is fantastic for centralizing all resources, ensuring that everyone on your team has access to the same information. The final step here is to click on Browse. This button opens up your computer's File Explorer, which lets you search through your device to locate the file you want to upload. Select the file you need and simply upload it to your ClickUp space. ClickUp supports a variety of file types, like PDFs, Word docs, spreadsheets, images, and even videos. So feel free to upload what's most useful to your workflow. It couldn't be easier. And there you have it. A straightforward way to upload files into ClickUp, keeping your projects organized and easily accessible for your entire team. For even better organization, attach files directly to specific tasks or comments. That way, context stays clear and collaboration is more focused. Always remember that having all your essential documents in one place not only saves time, but also enhances collaboration and efficiency within your projects. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your ClickUp experience. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Happy uploading and see you next time.